Ever since I launched my art project Faces on the Ferry, I've had a lot of people ask me for drawing tutorials. There are a few things I keep in mind when I whip out my sketchbook, so I'm going to let you in on a few of my favorite tips. What will you need? A little sketchbook is perfect. I like to draw loosely in pencil first and finish off with fine liner pens and markers, but you can use whatever floats your boat. Drawing digitally on a tablet is also fun and something I do more and more often. Where should you go? If you don't have a ferry handy, a cafe or a park can also be a great spot for people watching. My top 3 tips are structure, scale, and shading. Have you got your drawing materials in hand? Let's get started. Look for the structure underneath your subject. Find the form in basic shapes. When it comes to figure drawing, look for the bone structure underneath the pose. This doesn't mean that you need to draw a realistic skeleton. Think of it as a wireframe. Have you ever seen an artist holding up her pencil while she's looking at a subject? She's measuring. The length of your drawing instrument can be used roughly as a ruler. It might look pretentious, but hey, you're an artist. You can carry it off. Identify your light source. Notice where there are pockets of shade and light. This does so much to create a sense of weight and substance in your drawing. One of the reasons I love observational drawing is that it helps me connect to my environment and the people around me in a meaningful and absorbing way. This practice also leaves you with a unique visual diary, or quite a few. Thanks for watching, and keep looking for new opportunities to draw. Yeah, this is good.